I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Ioniq 6 versus BMW i4. Start by checking your priorities between range, performance, and daily comfort. I will walk through range, charging, interior space, driving feel, and ownership costs so you can match each car to your needs. Listen for practical pros and cons, and think about where you live and how you drive when weighing these electric options. Range and charging matter most for long drives and daily use, so here we compare realistic numbers and charging convenience in plain terms. I will explain estimated range in typical conditions, expected charging times on high power stations, and battery options that change long-distance usability. Think about how often you take highway trips and whether you prefer top range or sportier, responsive driving that may reduce range. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more car comparisons and real driving advice. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers make meal prep easy for commuters, road trippers, and anyone who loves tidy trunk lunches, and they pair surprisingly well with a weekend test drive. Check the description for the link and other deals, and remember, convenience matters when you live with a car. Now let's get back to the video. Performance versus comfort is a personal choice, so I'll describe how each car feels on city roads and twisty sections. Expect the i4 to be tighter and more responsive, rewarding spirited driving, while the Ioniq 6 soaks bumps and favors relaxed cruising. I will compare seat comfort, cabin quietness, cargo space, and driver engagement so you can decide whether sporty thrills or serene daily comfort matter most to your driving style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.